Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are having liver. This is liver. Yes, liver. It's boiled, already boiled. I like boiling anything concerning anything meaty, like meat, chicken, whatever. I love boiling it first. So we are going to fry liver. Yeah, I have it with garlic. And yeah, Merry Christmas to you all, my friends out there. We are still in Christmas mode. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year is just at the corner, guys. Happy New Year is just at the corner. So kindly subscribe to my channel in case you haven't yet subscribed. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, share, like and comment. So we have our tomatoes here, and the hoho, and the green pepper, and our royco cube here. Yeah, so that is what we are having for dinner. Ugali and liver. So hope you're enjoying your festive season carefully. Yes, enjoy with love, with care. Yes, don't do wrong things to people. Share what you have. If you have enough, share with other people who don't have. That really matters a lot. If you have any little, you have enough food in your house, you have some money, yeah, just share it to people. Yeah, share to people who don't who cannot afford to buy even a cloth. Go and buy for them a cloth. Go and buy for them shoes. So how ugali is ready, let's continue with this. I was actually doing something, that's why I had to skip cooking this. I had to go to ugali to put water for ugali. I never wanted this to burn. Yeah, so that's why I had to skip it like that. Oh, I've eaten. There's a type of ndizi I have eaten and I just feel like my stomach is full. Yeah, so you might be wondering, I decided to chop liver in big pieces like that. I normally see that small one, that chopped small is really so small, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I like it big. So let me put let's put the tomatoes in it. Let me just put. I put soup for the sake of the baby. Don't be scared. Why am I putting soup in the river? I have a baby, so the baby needs soup. Just little soup. This soup is actually okay. I don't know whether you're seeing it very well. These small house things. So this soup is okay. You can see that I don't want to put a lot of soup. That soup is enough. And I want it to cook just few minutes. Yes. Imeiva, so it's ready now. I don't want this soup to get ready because of the baby, to get finished because of the baby. The baby needs soup in food. If you are a parent, you know what I'm talking about, so that it can be easy for the baby to swallow the food. Yeah, so like that. My baby has just woken up just right now. Yeah, just leave it like that. My baby has just woken up from sleep right now, and I'm not going to hurry to give him the food. I first want him to relax a little bit. This is ugali. Ugali is there. I just want him to relax a little bit, and then after a few minutes I'll give him the food. I'll serve him the food. So thank you so much. I will see you on the next video. How ugali is still hot. You can see still hot. So thank you so much. I will see you on the next video. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, share, like, and comment. I will see you on the next one. I wish you a merry Christmas and happy New Year 2026. God bless you. Bye. Peace out.